Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about an amazing and exciting opportunity for 2023 batch. So we'll be talking further all the information regarding this, regarding InfyTQ certification and everything we are going to cover in detail. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now. And we are part of our Telegram community as well. We'll be coming up many more useful videos for you. But for this, you have to be, it is important for you to subscribe our channel, be a part of our Telegram community as well. So let's understand about this, about Infosys certification, what it is all about. So Infosys certification is a technology accreditation that endorses your industry readiness and enables you to build a career of your choice. The examination process for Infosys certification will test your knowledge in programming and databases. On clearing the examination, you will get an option to earn a pre-placement interview opportunity for the niche technical roles at Infosys or to appear in a technical interview for the system engineer role and become an Infosys certified software programmer. Coming to the eligibility criteria specified by them. So you should either be a BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or an MCM student graduating in 2023. Coming to the examination process now. So here what they have specified that Infosys certification comprises two examination rounds. First of all, there will be a certification round. So this round will be consisting of, or basically it is going to analyze you on the basis of your depth programming and database management skills through objective as well as hands-on questions will be there. You will have the option to choose a programming language between Java and Python. So yes, language restriction is there. Java and Python only you can choose for this particular round. Now, on scoring 65% or more in the certification round and after going through the necessary checks, you will become eligible to appear in the advantage round. Now, what is this advantage round all about? So, this is an optional round for those who clear the certification round to gain an advantage and win a job opportunity for niche technical roles of specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer at Infosys. If you decide to go through this round, you will have to take a test that will assist your programming. So for these roles, the package is kind of better than this one that they are offering for only from this certification round. So if you want to go for this, obviously you should go for it. If you decide to go through this round, you will have to take a test that will assess your programming and other technical skills. You will have the option to take this test in a programming language from multiple options. So here for this particular round, there is no language restriction. If you clear the round, you will receive a pre-placement interview opportunity for the specialist programmer and a digital specialist engineer role and become an Infosys certified software programmer. It will be a virtual interview, so that will assess your technical and behavioral skills. So that is a good thing. You don't have to travel anywhere. Everything is going to be virtually only. So what you have to do is steps to take the Infosys certification is that register for Infosys certification on this page, book a test slot from the available options and select the preferred programming language, that is Java or Python, for the certification round. Complete the recommended learning journey to gain a head start in your preparation for the examination. Now for preparation, you don't have to visit anywhere. In this platform itself, they have provided certain material that you can refer for the preparation. Check your system compatibility here to appear for the Infosys certification examination and also go to the examination guidelines as well that they have specified before appearing for the test. So here are some frequently asked questions as well provided. In case you are having any query, you can refer them. Otherwise, you can drop a mail on this particular mail as well provided by them. Right, so as of now registration has not been started. As soon as they'll be started, we'll be giving you an update. But yes, the notification is out, so start preparation for the same, start preparation for the InfyTQ. So all the best guys. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe this channel, and again thank you so much for watching this video guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.